top, pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street.
You give me so much more. I cannot get
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Freshers. Today I'll be installing this hair from westkisshair and giving an honest review. If you're interested in watching me install this hair, please stay tuned. I received this unit in a silk bag, a Westkiss bag. It says love your hair, kiss your beauty, and in the bag it came with a bonnet, an edge control brush. It has a brush here and a comb on the edge, lashes, a wig cap, and elastic band to layer the lace down as well, but I'll be using that later on. Also, the wig is a 22-inch 150 density 13x4 and HD lace. You can literally tell this is HD lace, like it's actually given. And also it's not given 150 density, it's literally given 250. This is like the fullest 150 density wig I've ever like actually saw. And 22 inches is looking like 26 inches to me, because I bought 26 inches and it's never been this long. It's actually literally a decent like length, and I'm 5'7" as well, so it's actually given. I'm just gonna install this wig now. It's gonna be going in with my glue and putting on 3 layers. Just gonna wait for the glue to go clear. I'm just gonna go in with my hair dryer as well. So once the glue is cleared, then I'm gonna go in with the second layer. I'm going in now with the Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and I'm just gonna place that. I'm gonna put the melt band on there. I'm gonna go in now with my hair dryer again, and to make the process faster, so rather than waiting for it to actually properly melt down, I'm just gonna go in with my hair dryer to speed up the process. I'm just gonna quick time cut my lace. I like to cut it messy first and then go in with like a razor or like a really small scissors and then do it properly. So this, once I cut it messy, it helps me know what's been stuck down properly and what side hasn't been stuck down properly. I can now tell that the left and the right side hasn't, the ear tabs haven't been stuck down properly, so I'm just going to go in with my glue again. The wig is properly stuck on now, so I'm going to go in with my razor and properly cut the lace. I like to go in a zigzag motion. So the lace has been properly cut. I don't know if you lot can see this. The lace is actually amazing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna go in now with my spritz and put that on the lace again. And then I'm gonna go in now with my lace band again. Okay, while that's melting, I'm just gonna create a middle part in, but I don't want it to be properly defined, if you get what I mean. I want it to look like I tried but I didn't try. It's meant to look like your natural hair as well, but that's the type of look I'm going for. I don't want it to, I want it to look not all over the place, but also look natural, like it's my natural hair. So I'm going to create a middle part, but also try not to create a middle part, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is called a stick comb, if no one knows what this is. Yeah, so that is done. I'm happy with the middle part. So I don't know if you can see. So now I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick. So now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb now. I always leave this to heat up for at least 30 minutes before I use it. I forgot to correct some edges, so I had to do that off camera. I just do 2 on the side and 2 on the other side, because at the end of the day I'm also trying to create a really natural look as well. So I'm still trying to lay this a little bit, not too flat. So I'm just gonna go in again with my hot comb. With the way the hair is looking, so I'm gonna take off the hairband, and then I'm just gonna cut my edges and create some baby hair now. So I'm not really confident with creating baby hair, but I'm just gonna try my best. So I'm just gonna comb this through first. I'm gonna go in with, I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb. Just bend myself. Just there. And there. And then I'm gonna cut it like slanted, basically going this way. I'm gonna create my baby hairs with the edge brush that I was gifted to me by WIG. I'm gonna go in with my mousse wrap and then a little bit of the Wonder Lace Bond spray. I'm gonna spray this on top like this. I can't find my glue, so I'm just gonna create my baby. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mix it together. I'm gonna spray a little bit more and then spray a little bit on my brush as well. And then over the edges first before going in with the mousse. So I'm just gonna quick time do that as well. I've actually So I've created baby hairs. I'm not really feeling it, but I'm just gonna leave it because I've gone and tried to fix it a few times. It's not looking the way I want. I'm just gonna go in now with my soft and free water and a little bit of conditioner in here to just define the curls a little bit more. I like my hair looking, I don't want it to look too wet. I like it puffy as well because I'm trying to also make it look really natural. I'm never gonna lie, the lace is perfect. It's a nice look. So I'm done. I hope you enjoyed the video. The hair is really nice and full. It's not really, I don't feel like this hair is 150 density at all. It's given 250 because I've actually bought 150 density before and it was never this full. So honestly, it's actually nice and thick. But thank you for watching.